Hey guys, what's up? It's Jonathan here with another video for you. Today's video is going to be all about expressing an idea that you might have with anyone in the world and how to be able to do that as clearly as possible, as fast and effective as possible. And guys, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing. My channel is all about helping you to communicate as clearly as possible, as fast as possible, through style, nonverbal communication, and online influence. And at any time in this video, feel free to check out show notes and links in the description where you can receive more information about how to communicate clearly. So with that being said, let's jump into the video. I thought it'd be a cool idea to actually bring in my cousin Cyprian to talk about how to express your ideas most clearly. You know, being in high school, it can be frustrating not being able to give a good presentation or be engaging with the people that you're trying to communicate your idea with. So that being said, I'm going to bring in my cousin Cyprian. Come on in, Cyprian.
What's up, everyone? How's it going? Hope you all are having a fantastic day.
Yeah. So we have 3 different points for you guys to think about when it comes to expressing your ideas most clearly. So Cyprian, why don't you take away? What's the first tip?
Yeah. So number 1, what I like to do when I'm trying to share an idea with my class, presentation, anything like that, is I like to read, and I read out loud, and I read how I want to hear or what I want to sound like, if that makes sense. So I'll be like, reading my book, I'll be like, blah, 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 and I'll sound like a leader, like an engaging leader kind of person.
So kind of just practice kind of reading your presentation or your idea, kind of expressing it and being confident, maybe practicing in front of a mirror or something like that.
Exactly.
Yeah, cool.
That's it.
So tip number 2 is all about getting your ideas on paper. Whether it be typing it on a computer or getting a pen and paper, expressing your ideas, get it out of your mind and onto something concrete will help you create your idea and make it more easy to understand for you and easy to be able to articulate it more clearly. So you want to get your idea on paper. You want to practice it when you're trying to give it, before you're going to give it at a presentation. You want to practice it. And then the third tip,
I like that idea a lot, by the way. That's a good one. Anyways, the third one is to be energetic, sound engaging, sound excited to share your idea with the world, your thoughts, what you think, and people will be like, wow, that's really cool. You know, if you're like, oh, my idea's this, you know, everyone's gonna be like, whatever, that's so boring. But if you're like, hey, what's up, guys, you know, kind of not yelling, but being very engaging, filling your voice like all over the room and everything.
Yeah, it's kind of like YouTube. You know, you're just trying to share your message with the world, and whatever it be, a class presentation, on a synopsis on a story, or you're trying to win somebody over on an idea or a group or an audience. It doesn't matter. You just want to be engaging, right?
Yep.
Cool.
Exactly.
I love this, Cyprian. This was great. And
Thanks,
we should definitely do this more.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
More to come. Don't worry, guys.
There you go. Sweet. Awesome. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for this video. Please consider subscribing if you want content more like this, helping you to communicate as clearly as possible, as fast as possible. Hit that like button, it makes a big difference. And if you guys want to check out Cyprian's Instagram or YouTube channel, he's starting up a YouTube channel, definitely I'll link that below. Consider subscribing, following his Instagram, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care guys, you're awesome. Idea to actually bring in someone who goes, and guys, don't forget sorry.
Here we go, guys. A day in the life. Here we go with Jonathan and your boy Sip back at it. We will
or it be a yeah.